Toon Tracks Racing driving the Ford GT.
Race 3.
These guys come out of the gate really quick. They both go up high. The Ford's right on the tail of the Renault. Wham! He hits the track and the Ford just ducks in behind him. Excellent driving by the Ford.
Winner, the Ford GT. Race 4.
And they're going head to head in this battle. The Ford picks up speed out of that turn 1. Great driving by the Ford GT.
Winner, the Ford GT. Race 6.
But it's this late charge by the Ford. Have a look at the speed he picks up. Unbelievable driving. Congratulations to Ford from Toon Tracks Racing. You move into the semi-finals. So here's the results from Heat 1. Toon Tracks Racing driving the Ford GT moves into the semi-final spot. Po Boy Racing driving the 2008 Lancer.
Race 1.
But it's the Lancer. It's Po Boy in the 2008 Lancer. Nice driving.
Winner, Po Boy Racing. Race 4.
Here he comes down the straight for his second win.
Winner, Po Boy Racing driving the 2008 Lancer. Race 5.
He's got the Nissan right on his tail. He's slamming into the walls and here comes the Nissan trying to overtake. Oh, sloppy driving, but hey, a win is a win. Congratulations, Po Boy Racing driving the 2008 Lancer. You're through to the semi-finals. Hot Wheels Boys driving the BMW M4.
Race 3.
Beautifully executed, he sees the finish line, the Stingray is nowhere in sight, and thank you very much, go the BMW.
Winner, Hot Wheels Boys. Race 4.
Oh, a bit of slipping and sliding, but it's a BMW all the way for his second win.
Winner, Hot Wheels Boys. Race 6.
Wow, I'm shocked with that result. The Stingray, I thought he had this all over going down the back of the straight there. Awesome driving out of turn 1 with the BMW right on his tail. Slips and slides a bit and wham, he catches the track. And here comes the BMW and says, back off mate, I can see the opening here and I'm going to take this win and head off to the semi-finals. Well, I've got to say, that was some excellent racing on Mount Western Raceway. Hot Wheels Boys driving the BMW M4 goes off to the semi-finals. Congratulations to the Hot Wheels Boys driving the BMW M4. You are through to the semi-finals. Mark D of CRC Racing driving the Renault Sport.
Race 3.
Perfect line out of turn 1. Sees the finish line. He says to the F1, take this buddy, I've got ya.
Winner, Mark D of CRC Racing. Race 5.
The Renault is all over the F1. Little nudge there by the F1. It's the Renault all the way. Here comes the F1. Oh no, he's just slid and just missed his opportunity.
Winner, Mark D of CRC Racing. Race 6.
Cheeky move right up the top there by the Renault. I think that was a catalyst for this race. However, look what happens here. And it's the Renault going backwards. This doesn't happen on Mount Western Raceway. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am.
Winner, Mark D of CRC Racing.
Congratulations, Mark D of CRC Racing driving the Renault Sport. You're off to the semi-finals. I'm Hot Car Track and this is Diecast Race Wars. Thanks for watching.